Gratitude is Walden Art's way of working with the creative communities to reflect through the mirrors, through the sculptures, our appreciation, our gratitude to every single person that has helped us as a society get through this pandemic.
So I designed this right in the heart of the pandemic last year. It was just a beautiful canvas to be able to showcase the NHS key workers and other key workers coming back together in the community back after COVID has hit, and it's really nice that we're at the point now where we can actually see that happening.
It's a really nice opportunity for artists to showcase their gratitude for the NHS through art and storytelling.
I'm thrilled to be a part of it, and it's been wonderful to collect together my artist friends and people who believe in the importance of this project. For my sculpture, I decided that I wanted to have very classic Sandra Rose lilies in all colours of the rainbow. I felt it was really important to do this project because this will be a living memorial, and we don't know where the figures will go afterwards, so it will be something that we'll remember, having passed through COVID and got to the other side. This is the first time I've seen it collectively, and it's like a joyous story of colour.
We hope the sculpture goes to someone that loves its bright colours, but more than anything we're just really happy that it's going to be raising money for the NHS charities.
Well, I think this project just really communicates the differences that everybody has in terms of art. We've never gone through anything like this, so it's just wonderful to see really accessible art and some great names.
It's been over a year making it. Seeing it come together is so fantastically exciting. Seeing people come in to enjoy the installation that Walden Art has created. I think when people buy one of these sculptures at auction, not only are they getting an extraordinary work of art, they're getting a piece of history, they're getting a moment in time, and yeah, it's a moment in time that can be reflected on and enjoyed.